since we've used Champion for 3 times now, Granger's been great, the service has been excellent, and we'll use them again when necessary.
Thanks, Dan.
100% recommend Champion Plumbing. We've had 3 or 4 issues with our plumbing, and always Granger has come through. He's reasonably priced, he's pleasant to work with, he shows up on time, he does the job correctly. I never have any doubt that what he's doing isn't right or correct for our business.
And this is a big job that we just did, Kim.
It's a huge job, look at that.
We replaced the whole sewer line coming up here.
And there's my husband.
And we're putting it back. And here's the husband coming right back here. And I believe he's happy too.
Yes.
Thanks.
We have full faith in Granger.
Thank you very much.
An excellent job.
Champion Plumbing, great job. Got out here quick, did a fantastic job. Everything is super. I'm extremely pleased.
Thank you.
Use them again.
Thanks, Bob. Give us a call.